Hello guys, welcome to another video. So in this video we are going to be looking at this boom and crash scalping strategy, and of course with this strategy you'll be able to use it right now and able to use it to catch some candles in the boom and crash index. Okay, so stay tuned, make sure you watch this video to the end, and also subscribe to the channel if you are new, like this video as well. And if you're a forex trader or you are just new to forex trading, I'm going to leave a link in the description down below. So it's a broker that's going to help you skyrocket your trading journey, and they're going to offer you a $30 no deposit bonus, which you can use to start trading for yourself without being deposit. Okay, so the link is going to be in the description down below, so you can check it out. Now after signing up, then that's all. So let's proceed with the strategy. I'm going to show you guys what are the settings you need for the strategy and how you can make use of the strategy. So the first thing we do is just talk about the settings, and what we are going to do is just to hop into our indicator section. So by clicking on this icon you are seeing right there. So the first indicator we are going to be adding is going to be the moving average. And how do we add it up? We click on this F icon right here. We search for moving average, and this is the parameters. Now the period is 30, shift is 1, method is exponential, apply to close, and for the style use any color of your choice and click on save. So that is the first indicator we need for the strategy. Now for the next indicator, which is also going to be the moving average, click on this F icon again, search for moving average, and this is the parameters. Now the period is 43, shift is 1, method is exponential, apply to close, and for the style using any color of your choice and click on save. That is the second indicator we need for the strategy. Now moving on to the next indicator, which is going to be the ADX. At the top, you click on this F icon right here, you search for ADX, and there's the parameters. Now we don't need the parameters. What we need is this level right here. Now for the levels, we need the levels to be 15 and 85. Of course, use any color of your choice. So go back and click on save, then you have your ADX in your chart. Now once you add the ADX up, it's automatically going to be on your indicator window 1. So the next indicator we're going to be adding is going to be the Bollinger Bands. Like at the top, we click on this effect right here. We search for Bollinger Band and the parameters. Now for the Bollinger Bands, the period is 5, deviation is 1.000, shift is 16, apply to close, and for the style using color of your choice and click on save. So that is all the settings we need for the strategy. Now if you want to trade with this strategy, this is what we need to do. Now before I proceed, I want you guys to know what you are going to be doing when you want to take a trade with this strategy. So here the indicator we have on our main chart, which is the moving average, this moving average, and second moving average right here is going to be what we are going to be using to find entries. And this on our indicator window 1 is going to be the one to give us entries. Okay, listing and listing good. This moving average we have on our main chart is going to be the one to give us entries, and this on our indicator window 1 is going to be the one to give us our confirmation for entries. Now let me explain to you guys how it works. Okay, so this is it right here. Now whenever we want to take a trade with this strategy, let's say we want to take a trade, first thing we do is to wait for a candle close below the moving average, which happens right here. Now what can you see right here? You can see that the candle does not close below the moving average, so we don't consider that as an entry. You want to see a candle close below the both moving average, the first one and the second one. When close above it with a candle, the next thing we are now waiting for is our Bollinger Bands entries confirmation. And what is that? We want to see that this Bollinger Bands line has to come straight to the 5 levels after a candle close below the moving average. Now you have to keep this in mind. You are not looking for entries when it touch the 5 levels. That is not a valid setup. We first want to see that a candle close below the 2 moving average. After that, we are now going to look for the Bollinger Bands to touch the ADX line, which is the 5 levels of the ADX after a candle close below the moving average. And after that, after the line touch, then we enter our trade. Immediately we see the line touch, and we catch our 10 to 20 candles and close our positions. Now guys, keep that in mind. It's very important. And this is another trading opportunities. As I told you guys earlier, you want to see a candle close below the moving average. After candle close below the moving average, then you are now going to be looking for a setup on your indicator window 1, which means you are looking for the Bollinger Band line to come straight to the 85 levels of the ADX. So after we confirm this, then the Bollinger Band should be our entry. Okay, we count 10 to 20 candles and we close our positions. Okay, so that is how the strategy works. And let me show you guys another example, and I'm going to show you guys that on Crash 1000 index. And this is a trade on Crash 1000 index. Let me show you guys a clean trade right here. So if you bring out this line right here, if you bring out this line right here, you can see that we first see a candle, this candle right here, this candle we are looking at, this candle right here, this candle close below the moving average. After we see this, then you can see that it has not yet touched the 15 levels after the line. This is where the line is, and this is where it break. Okay, so after we see this, then we are now wait for the line to come straight to the 15 levels, which I was right here. After it comes straight to it, then we are now going to be looking for an entry, which is going to be we are looking for a buy, and we take 20 to 10 candles and close our positions. So that's how we use this strategy to take trades. So I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on post notification and time posting strategy. You guys should be aware. Thank you guys. I will see you in the next video. Bye.